everybody, it's Topwater Johnny, and in this bass fishing video, it's time to get fishing with the Megabass Anthrax. We're gonna put it on the water, catch some bass, and make it work. So let's go. Whoa, there we go. Yeah! Woo, holy cow, folks. Topwater Johnny here, man. This is what we came here for. Look at that. Get back here. Look at that right there. That's the kind of beast that we came here for. There we go. Woo! And that one hooked. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. I want to welcome you to the next video here. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel. This is part 2 of the Megabass Anthrax. In the first part of the video that you've seen the previous days ago, I reviewed it, I caught a fish on it, but now we're out of the lake here, and this lake is kind of notorious for using swim baits and catching bass on shad and bluegill, but this anthrax right here definitely mimics that dying shad with that little bluegill pattern there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get it out here on the water and put it to work and see if we can't catch some bass. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. There we go. That Megabass Anthrax, everybody. There we go. All right. There we go. Woo! There it is, everybody. Got him. Megabass Anthrax. Right there. Okay. There he is on that Megabass Anthrax. All right. Everybody's Topwater Johnny here. Got this one. So there we go. Got another one here on that Megabass Anthrax this morning. So got that Anthrax back out, working along those edges. And he saw a free meal and he took it. So no complaints here. All right. Oops. There we go. Right there. Nice one. All right. There we go. There we go. Gotcha. Nice. There we go on that Megabass Anthrax, everybody. Nice. Woo! Nicer fish. On that Megabass Anthrax. Got him here. Nicer one. As you can see there, everybody. Got him right across the mouth. He went straight across and bit it. So, all right. No complaints on that one. All right, there he is. On that Megabass right here, bro. On that Megabass Anthrax. Oops. There he is on that Megabass Anthrax. All right. All right, everybody. Nicer one here. Right about 2 pounds, a little over 2 pounds right here. This one is a much nicer fish right here on that Megabass Anthrax. All right, no complaints. Okay, everybody. Nice one right here. Nice long bass right here. This is what we was looking for. He wanted those minnows, and he hit that anthrax. Thought it was a free lunch. All right. Pretty bass here. Pretty bass. All right. Oh, oh man, missed that one. Missed that one there, but we'll keep on going. We'll keep working them. All right. There we go. There we go. Nice one. Oh my goodness. Nice one right here. Caught him. All right. On that Megabass Anthrax. Got him. Got him. All right. Not the biggest, but he's aggressive, everybody. There he is. On that Megabass Anthrax. All right. All right. There he is. On that Megabass Anthrax. Okay. All right, everybody. Topwater Johnny here. Woo! The Megabass Anthrax, man. We got him. Got him out there in those lily pads circling around. Saw that little minnow. He had to have it, and we got him. So no complaints. All right. All right, everybody. Nice little bass right here. A little over a pound. Chunky and was aggressive. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Topwater Johnny. I hope you enjoyed this session that we just had here. We were putting in work on that Megabass Anthrax, and we were definitely out here making it happen. As you saw, we caught quite a few bass on it, a couple nice ones as well. But we saw what it can do. We saw how we can make it happen. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna go back to the studio. The next clip, you're gonna see a closer look of the lure, and then I'll give you my final thoughts to close out the video. So once again, it was a pleasure. Man, it was a great time with that lure. That lure was a fun lure. So we'll just go on from here and head back to the studio. All right. Okay, everybody, here, as you can see, is the Megabass Anthrax, and this is the bigger version. I think this is the 500 or 100, as you can see here. But I got this one because it really had that bass look to it. I'm going to flip it over, show it to you on this side, just so you can see it up close. It looks just like a little bass that is dying because, as I said before, you know, it's supposed to look like this right here as it moves through the water column. Also, this is a little bit bigger lure, which means actually it will suspend right below the surface a little bit deeper, which is good as well. I'll show you the other one that I currently have here, just so you can put them in context here. As you can see that the Megabass Anthrax, the first one here, is a little bit smaller. This one right here actually has more of a plastic fin here, where this one has a metal fin at the top here. So the one I got above is just a little bit bigger. Lure suspends a little bit deeper, and I'm hoping that that's also going to improve my odds of catching those bass as they look at this lure and think that it's a dying minnow. All right, so there you go, everybody. Okay. Hey, everybody, it's Topwater Johnny here. Hope you enjoyed the video there. This was the part 2 of the Megabass Anthrax. And as you saw in the video, we put it out on the water and we put in some work. And we were really able to catch some nice fish with it as well. Want to show it to you once again here. Here is the Megabass Anthrax, and here is the actual bigger version of the Megabass Anthrax. I ended up buying both of these from Japan Fishing Tackle. So it was a japanfishingtackle.com was a site that I bought them from. As you can see, this is a smaller version, has a little bit of a plastic tail on here, fin, whereas the bigger version actually has a metal one on here. And this one's a little bit older here as well. This one here has a little bit higher rattle. This one has a bigger knocker in it as well. So there is definitely a difference. This is definitely the newer version that's out on the marketplace. And this is definitely an older version that they made probably a while back. I actually spent $16.99 on this lure, whereas this one was $19.99. So this is a newer version, the one I was catching all the fish on. But this one right here, older version, bigger knocker, definitely has potential as well. Now, a couple of things here that I want to make sure that you guys are fully aware of if you decide to get this lure. This lure works great if the bass are busting in the center of the water chasing minnows, like in the center of your lake or pond, and you can reach them. this would be a great lure. However, if you don't see anything busting in the center of your lake or on the outer edges of your lake busting, this will not call them up. I didn't get any bass to come up and look at it or strike at it, but if they were on top, they would strike at it. Also, this lure does work great if you're fishing near lily pads. So in other words, you throw past the lily pads and you bring this lure just past those lily pads, kind of twitching it along with that rattle. And if those bass are sitting under the lily pads, they will notice it, key on it, and you'll get your strike that way. Also, if you're fishing on a lake and there are corners of the lake where it's kind of shallow, kind of grassy, where bass could be hiding, throw into those areas with this kind of lure. Those bass are probably sitting in an ambush position, and they probably will come out and take a strike at it. Because in the video, those seem to be the areas that I was having the most success. So I just wanted to share with you guys ways to succeed with this lure. You know, you can use a bait caster, or you can use spinning tackle. As you saw, I was using spinning tackle. I had 30-pound braid to a 20-pound monofilament leader, not fluorocarbon, monofilament. So mine was a little bit lighter of a line, but it was 20 pounds that I was fishing on that as well. So just so you guys kind of know. Now, keeping with the dead fish scenario here, that inspired me to go back in my tackle box and pull out a lure that I did a review on but didn't catch any fish on. And that was the Lunker Hunt Easy Prey. And this is a lure that actually sits on the water like this, and it looks like a dying bait fish as it moves along in the water. The bass actually see this side right here, and it looks just like a dying fish. And so because of the Megabass Anthrax and my success with that one, that's helped me understand how to fish this one here to create the same opportunities. So hopefully in the future, you'll see a video of me catching fish on the Lunker Hunt Easy Prey. So I just wanted to share that with you guys here as well. Also, I just want to thank for the recommendation again on the Megabass Anthrax. I want to thank John Humphreys again for recommending it. I really appreciate it. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys who make recommendations on lures, because I do take those into account. And I have bought lures based on your recommendations. So if you got a topwater lure that you think might be interesting to see reviewed and fished, just let me know. I'll check it out, and I probably will go ahead and get it. Now, speaking of lures, I've got some lures coming in this week. I'm hoping they make it here by Thursday so I can do my closer look and lure review for you guys. If they don't, I've got some more lures that I can definitely talk about and share with you guys and their top water as well. Also, finally, I just want to thank all my subscribers who take my recommendations to heart. They go out and they buy those lures and are having success. Now, one thing for sure, let the people know where you're buying them from, that you're getting recommendations from me. At this point, none of these places are actually paying me a commission or anything, but I do think it's important that they know that their success is because you're listening to me talk about those lures and encourage you to fish with those lures, because my goal is to see you fish with those lures, have a lot of success, catch more bass. Especially just recently, I got a note that a guy fished with the Whopper Plopper 60, had a lot of success with it, all because he watched my videos and my recommendations. So I'm really happy about that. That excites me a lot. And I just want you to be sure to let those individuals know why you're buying, because it helps them understand that, hey, there are people out here who are giving legit reviews and legit feedback that are out here to really support the industry. So you doing that really helps. Also, you telling other people about the channel, that helps as well. So I just want to thank each and every one of you guys there for all the things that you guys have been doing and the things that you guys continue to do. So please like, subscribe to the channel, and I want you to always remember that phrase. Keep your line tight, because when they hit those topwater lures, especially the ones that we're recommending over here, it's going to be a big bite. I'll see you in the next video.